Recently, Jungkook, the youngest member of BTS, made a confession that shocked fans. In an emotional interview, Jungkook finally broke down his feelings for his closest friend, Taehyung. After years in the public spotlight, their brother-like relationship finally deepened and it shocked many armies. Jungkook, known for his quieter and more introverted nature, revealed how much Taehyung means to him. He's not just a friend, but more than that. Taehyung is always there. Even during my difficult moments, Jungkook sighed, his eyes slightly watering. We often talk without words, just understanding each other. This statement certainly sparked curiosity among fans. While the two BTS members have always seemed close, not many knew the depth of their bond. Taehyung, known for his cheerful and colorful personality, often shows great affection for Jungkook. But this is the first time Jungkook has openly expressed his feelings about their relationship. Jungkook not only confessed his closeness to Taehyung, but also shared some personal moments that only a few people know about. Taehyung is the one who always makes me laugh, even when I'm feeling really down. He has a way of making everything better, Jungkook said. Netizens immediately went wild with this confession. Some were touched by how deeply Jungkook felt for Taehyung. Others were surprised, considering that two idols often appear very professional and maintain their personal distance. Many commented that this was a side of Jungkook that is rarely revealed to the public. I can't imagine how strong their bond is. Jungkook rarely talks about his feelings, so this confession really touched my heart, said one fan on Twitter. You guys are truly true friends, not just colleagues, wrote another. This confession became a major highlight on social media, with many fans expressing their gratitude to Jungkook for having the courage to talk about such a personal matter. Others stated that moments like this demonstrate the importance of healthy friendship, especially in the stressful entertainment world. One thing is for sure, Jungkook's confession about Taehyung is not only surprising, but also shows how deep the bond between the two BTS members is. This further strengthens ARMY's belief that, even though the entertainment world can be tough, their friendship remains an unwavering strength. Jungkook's confession about Taehyung not only touched fans' hearts, but also reminded men of the importance of having someone to support them through life's challenges. Despite being known as a highly professional idol, Jungkook seemed to open a small window into his private world, letting fans know that behind the glitz of the stage, there are also moments filled with warmth and the unconditional support. Some fans have also begun to delve deeper into the history of their friendship. Men have noted how they always seem to have incredibly strong chemistry, both on and off stage. Every time the two of them are on stage, there's a different kind of aura. I can feel their energy, as if they're actually talking to each other with just their eyes. It's amazing, wrote one fan in an Instagram post. Fans also often express how inspired they are by their genuine connection. In a world as stressful as K-pop, their friendship serves as a reminder that despite all the complexities of life, there are values like trust and loyalty that are invaluable. Taehyung's reaction was equally captivating. During a live broadcast, Taehyung appeared slightly surprised by Jungkook's statement. However, his wide smile and the spontaneous response, I feel the same way, Jungkook, you are everything to me, further reinforced the feeling that the two share a deep connection. Although he rarely speaks openly about his feelings, this spontaneous expression shows the depth of his affection for Jungkook. Not only were fans touched, but the other BTS members also offered meaningful comments. RM, known as the group's leader, once said, we all know how important each other is, but sometimes, we need time to truly express our feelings. That's what makes our relationship stronger. RM's statement further emphasizes that the relationship between BTS members isn't just about working together on stage, but also about how they support and they care for each other in all circumstances. For main fans, Jungkook's confession further strengthened their bond with BTS. Men felt like they were part of the group members' emotional journeys, and this made them feel closer and more connected to BTS as individuals, not just as idols they admire. However, while the confession was touching, some fans also felt anxious. Some worried that this closeness would increase the pressure on Jungkook and Taehyung to always show their emotional sides to the public. As is well known, the K-pop world often requires adults to maintain a certain image and maintain a distance between their personal and professional lives. However, men also hope that this confession would pave the way for more conversations about mental health and healthy friendships in the entertainment industry. Maybe it's time for more adults to openly talk about their relationships with their friends. We all need people who support us, especially in this fast-paced and stressful world, wrote Avin on Twitter. In closing, Jungkook's confession about Taehyung serves as a reminder that even though life as a famous idol is full of the spotlight, true friendships can still grow and thrive. Their deep connection proves that behind the glitz and the glamour of the stage, there's invaluable emotional depth. ARMYs are increasingly convinced that their relationship isn't just a simple friendship, but an unbreakable bond, no matter what. And for fans, this is what makes BTS not just a band, but a family that supports each other. Following Jungkook's confession, the ARMY's response has been overwhelming. Several fans expressed that this confession made them appreciate the depth of Jungkook and Taehyung's relationship even more. These are more than just idols, they are true friends who support each other. I think that's what sets BTS apart from other groups, said one fan in a YouTube comment. In fact, some fans felt that Jungkook's confession opened their eyes to the importance of having healthy and supportive relationships, not only in the entertainment industry, but in everyday life. Men felt inspired to appreciate the people who are always there for them, especially during difficult times. He want a best friend like Taehyung, someone who can make me laugh when I'm feeling down, who will always be by my side, wrote one fan in a viral tweet. Jungkook's statement also deepened the meaning of BTS's philosophy, which is the importance of supporting and caring for one another. Some fans began to reflect on the lyrics of BTS songs they've been listening to, realizing that many of the messages in those songs actually speak to the importance of human connection, friendship, family, and the mutual support. Every BTS lyric feels more meaningful after knowing how close they are, sighed one fan. Interestingly, several K-pop observers also shared their views on Jungkook's confession. A renowned music journalist stated that BTS has always been known to be very private, especially regarding the members' personal relationships. Jungkook opened up about a more personal side, but it's a very human side. In a K-pop world that often seems detached from reality, they're showing the world that behind the glitz, they're still human beings who need friends, who need companionship, he said. However, this confession isn't the only thing that's garnering attention. Fans are also beginning to rediscover small interactions between Jungkook and Taehyung that they previously considered simply part of their on-stage togetherness. Now, these interactions are viewed with greater meaning. For example, when they often support each other at various events, or when Jungkook seems so attentive to Taehyung during performances. Now we appreciate every moment they spend together even more. They truly complement each other, wrote another fan. Furthermore, some ARMYs began to reflect on how rare such genuine friendships are in the entertainment world, a place where men relationships are often formed solely out of professional necessity. In this case, Jungkook and Taehyung's closeness is not just about idols, but about humans inspiring, caring for, and sharing strength with one another. In fact, some netizens saw Jungkook's confession as a good example of the role of mental health. The entertainment world, which often forces idols to maintain a perfect image and they always appear happy, can have a significant impact on their mental health. But by speaking openly about the importance of friendship, Jungkook and Taehyung seem to remind the public that behind the glitz, and ultimately, this confession further strengthened the bond between BTS and their fans. It wasn't just about their music or stage performances, but also about how they struggled together in their personal lives. By showing a more human side, Jungkook and Taehyung became not only inspiring idols musically, but also living examples of the importance of having someone who is always by your side regardless of success or failure. For ARMY, this was a moment they will never forget. Not only as fans, but they felt a growing respect and the affection for these two BTS members. Every word, every confession, made it clear that BTS is not just the biggest band in the world, but also a family that supports, strengthens, and it gives hope to everyone who follows their journey. Now, more than just idols they admire, Jungkook and Taehyung symbolize what every human relationship should be: openness, trust, and the genuine affection. And for BTS fans, this is why they will always support this group, not only because of their music, but because they have shown the world the true meaning of unwavering friendship. After their heartfelt confession, Jungkook and Taehyung seem to teach their fans a valuable lesson about the importance of maintaining a healthy and loving relationship amidst the harsh world of entertainment, not only in music or on stage performances, but in their daily lives behind the scenes. They are also ordinary people who need support and the true friendship. Their story reminds men that genuine friendship doesn't come from popularity or self-interest, but from mutual understanding, support, and the caring for one another through thick and thin.